Welcome to our channel. If you want to maximize manufacturer rebates that include trial offers for services and subscriptions, follow these step-by-step instructions to claim all benefits from your product purchases. Step 1. Before purchasing a product, check the manufacturer's website for current rebate promotions that bundle trial offers with hardware purchases like smartphones, tablets, TVs, or appliances. Step 2. Read the complete terms and conditions of the rebate offer, noting specific purchase windows, required documentation, and deadlines for submitting your rebate claim. Step 3. Purchase the qualifying product from an authorized retailer, keeping your itemized receipt, UPC code from the packaging, and any promotional materials that came with the product. Step 4. Register your product on the manufacturer's website within the specified time frame, as this is often a requirement to unlock both the rebate and the trial offer. Step 5. Navigate to the manufacturer's rebate submission portal and carefully complete the online form, uploading clear photos of your receipt, product serial number, and UPC code. Step 6. After submitting your rebate, check your email for a confirmation that includes instructions for activating your trial offer, which may be sent separately from rebate processing updates. Step 7. Follow the unique redemption link for the trial offer, creating an account or linking your existing account with the service provider to activate your free subscription period. Step 8. Track both your rebate payment and trial activation, setting reminders for when to expect your rebate and when your trial period will end. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.